In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or fake location in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Changing your browser's location can be useful in a variety of situations. Whether you're testing how a website behaves in different regions, viewing location-based content, or learning more about how browser geolocation works, knowing how to adjust your reported location can be a valuable skill. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin with Google Chrome. Open Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is running, press the F12 key on your keyboard, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus I. This will open the Developer Tools panel. If you've never used Developer Tools before, don't be intimidated by all the options you see. For this tutorial, you'll only need to access a specific section. Inside the Developer Tools window, click the three-dot menu. From there, select More Tools, and then choose Sensors. A new panel will appear, usually near the bottom of the Developer Tools window. Within the Sensors panel, locate the Location drop-down menu. When you click it, you'll find several preset locations that you can use right away, including cities such as London, Berlin, Tokyo, and San Francisco. If you need a more specific location, choose Custom Location and enter your preferred latitude and longitude coordinates. After making your selection, refresh the web page. Chrome will then provide that location to websites that request geolocation information through the browser. Next, let's move on to Microsoft Edge. Because Edge is built on the same Chromium platform as Chrome, the process is very similar. Open Microsoft Edge and press F12, or use Ctrl plus Shift plus I to launch Developer Tools. Once the panel appears, click the three-dot menu inside the Developer Tools window, select Settings, and then choose Location. When the Location panel opens, select one of the available preset locations, or choose Custom Location if you'd like to enter your own coordinates. After selecting your preferred location, refresh the website. Edge will now provide the chosen geographic information to sites that request your location. Finally, let's look at Mozilla Firefox. Firefox doesn't offer a simple built-in location override menu like Chrome and Edge. To get started, type About, Config into the address bar and press Enter. If a warning message appears, accept it and continue. Then search for the setting called geo.provider.network.url. From there, you can modify the geolocation provider settings to use custom coordinates. Since this method can be more advanced, many users choose to use a geolocation spoofing extension available through the Firefox add-on store. These tools often provide a more straightforward way to select cities or enter custom GPS coordinates. Before wrapping up, remember that changing your browser's location only affects the browser's geolocation system. Websites may still estimate your location through your IP address. If you need to appear as though you're browsing from a different region entirely, you may also need to use a VPN. And that's it! You now know how to change or fake your location in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,